Back again this week with a brand new sneak peek at a product from Hik. It's a combined speaker and 4 megapixel camera in an all-in-one unit for all those monitoring type of jobs, you know, forecourts, farms, car parks, that kind of stuff. Saves you running 2 cables, saves you installing and mounting 2 devices. The unfortunate name is the visible horn speaker. So let's dig in and have a look at the specs of my visible horn. So let's run through the specs. Camera module first of all, 4 megapixel accuracy camera with, I've been told by Hik, an enhanced AI engine specifically for this model. Manual tilt, but a motorized 2.8 to 12 mm zoom, 20 meter white light and 50 meter IR, 7 watt horn speaker. There's a dual mic array. We can do 2-way talk, or we can use the pre-recorded warning messages. We can actually upload our own warning messages, and we can trigger them using our normal VCA, things like intrusion detection, line crossing, even Motion 2.0. At the moment it supports Hik Connect, IVMS and Hik Central. I asked the question, but apparently it is not tested yet with any third-party monitoring software platforms like IMIX and the like. Easy to mount, very solid unit. Comes with a safety cable because it is heavy, IP67 rated, and as I mentioned, it does need Peewee Plus. Watch out for that. This horn needs some juice. So let's give this unit a bit of a test. 2 things that I really wanted to check out are the claimed 70 meter VCA range, which has been enhanced by AI, I'm told. So looking at the map here, from where I'm mounting the camera, I'm going to set up an intrusion zone over in the top left there, and Google Maps tells me it's 60 meters, so I think that's a very fair test. Opening up the web browser to log in. Here's my intrusion detection page, very standard stuff that you'd see in any AccuSense camera, but I've done a very small box there in the back right by the tree, because mainly I don't want to be triggering the siren for anyone else passing by. I want to be able to test it very specifically. Just a 2-second dwell time in the intrusion box should trigger it. We'll just have a quick look at the motorized zoom. So here's it fully out, the same image really as you saw a second ago. So that's 2.8, and to go to full zoom in, there's 12, so that's the motorized zoom. So let's go outside, walk over to the area, see how the loudspeaker sounds. I'm going to set it to just 25% so that I'm not deafening the neighbours. So I've come outside to the sunshine, leaving my visible horn poking out the top window there on the left. I'm at 60 meters, as I showed you on the map earlier, to test the analytics range on this device. So I'm going to move into the zone. We should see the light first. There it goes. And now the siren. That's at 25% volume, so we don't annoy the neighbours too much. Very, very impressive.